Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 5 in chapter 11. It begins on page 659 in your math workbook. Today we are going to tell time to the minute. At the top of page 659, it has some vocab words and shows a couple of clocks. It says that time can be represented on a digital clock or an analog clock. A digital clock is just the digital numbers, such as at the bottom of your Chromebook or a computer, or how it would show most likely on a cell phone. The analog clock has an hour hand, a minute hand, sometimes a second hand, and the numbers 1 through 12. So we're going to be working with both of those in this lesson. And our first question says, the clock shows the time that Erica got home from dance class. What time is it? The first thing we're going to do is find the hour hand. In this case, it's red, and it's the shorter hand all the time. So if you're looking at the red shorter hand, it's pointing not quite to the 6. And so we have to be careful that we don't think it's 6. It has gone past the 5, but not to the 6. And so the hour is 5. So please fill in that blank there with a 5. On example number 2, it says to count the minutes. So now we're going to be paying attention to that blue minute hand. It's always the longer hand on a clock, even if it's not blue. The longer hand is the minute hand. We'll count by 5s first. So we start at the o'clock, which is 12, and when we move to the 1, we say 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now, we're not quite to where that hand is pointing. So we're going to have to go 2 more little 1s because each little tick mark on the clock represents 1 minute. 46, 47. So here, you're going to write the number 45, and down here, 47. There are 47 minutes past the hour. It is 5:47. This is how we read it. We write it as 5:47. And so Erica finished her dance class at 5:47. If you didn't get all those written in, take this little moment to pause the video and do that. All right. If you turn the page, we now have example 2. Jake's soccer practice ended. What time is it? So this here, we're reading a digital clock. And if I look, the digits before the colon show the hour, or what the shorthand would represent, 12. The digits after the colon show the minutes, 15, which means the minute hand would be on the 3. We read this as 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12. And we write it as it is on his watch, 12:15. So when we're reading it, we write the words. When we're writing the time, we write it in digital numbers. And so on the bottom part of this page, we're going to be doing the guided practice. In the guided practice, the directions say to circle the correct time shown on each digital or analog clock. On number 1, it shows you in digital form the 5:15. Remember that what's before the colon is the hour and what's after is the minutes. So which is correct? Is it 15 minutes before 5 or 5:15? That's right, 5:15. Good job. Number 2, look at the hour hand, which is the shorter red hand. It's past the 12, but not quite to the 1. So we would therefore say 12. We then count the minutes, starting with the 1 is 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. The time is 12:20. Give number 3 a try. Look at your hour hand. Look at your minute hand. So our hour hand is not quite to the 2. It's close, but not quite. So it would be 1, and then if we count by 5s, the 10 is the same as 50. 10 times 5 is 50. 150. On number 4, we have an hour hand between the 10 and 11. So the hour is 10. Looking at the minutes, we're going to count by 5, starting up here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we're going to move 3 more little ticks. 26, 27, 28. Therefore, the time is 10:28. And finally, on number 5, circle what you think is the correct answer. $3:44. Good job. We are going to do the evens on the next page, 661. So if you will please join me doing the evens, starting with number 6. This one wants us to write how we would read it, then write it with the numbers. So if we read what they have already, it says blank minutes after blank. So first we're going to take a look at the minutes. If we were at 12, this would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here we'd put in 8 for 8 minutes after what hour? 5. 8 minutes after 5. Now the time then is 5:08. All right, I said we would do the evens, so we're going to skip to number 8. Write the time shown on each digital or analog clock in numbers and in words. So on this one, let's go ahead and look at our red hour hand. It's past the 2, but not quite to the 3. So our hour is 2. Then we're going to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and now go by ones, 41, 42. So our time is 2:42. In words, 2:42, and in numbers, 2:42. And we're going to do number 10 and number 12. Number 10, we have the hour of 3 because it's past the 3, not to the 4. That only leaves us with this option, but let's check our math. If we're going by 5s and we have a 9, some of you know that 9 times 5 is 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So you are going to draw your line from that clock to the correct answer of 3:45. Give number 12 a try. That's right, 4:02. Nice work. Let's go ahead and turn the page, and we're going to do, again, the evens, number 14 and number 16. If the minute hand is pointing to the number 2, how many minutes past the hour is the clock showing? The minutes hand pointing to the number 2. Yep, 10 minutes. 5, 10, or 2 times 5 is 10. All right, skipping now to number 16. And on number 16, it says, draw a conclusion. If the minute hand is pointing to the number 9, minutes before the next hour is the clock showing. So let me repeat that now that the page loaded. If the minute hand is pointing to the number 9, how many minutes before the next hour is the clock showing? So if your clock was on, your minute hand is on the 9, then I would count by 5s until I get back to 12. So you would go from 10 would be 5, 11, 10, 12, 15. So 15 minutes